How to download Google Chrome on Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search bar on top. In search bar, simply type in Chrome Download. After you have typed in Chrome Download, press on Enter. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and then click on Google Chrome website, which is the official Google website. In here, click on Download Chrome. Simply click on Download Chrome and Chrome will be downloaded on your device. Simply click on the file that just downloaded and simply log into your Google account. And this is how to download Google Chrome on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.